Here I've got HOMTOM HT16 and let me show you how to activate and use power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to locate and open the settings, then find and pick battery, and now just click on the more icon and click on battery saver. So if you'd like to activate power saving mode, just click on this switcher and now your device is in power saving mode. You can notice it by taking a look at this red line. Then you can switch off power saving mode by clicking on the same switcher one more time. You can also activate automatic power saving mode. Just click on turn on automatically and pick either 5 or 15% of the battery. Let me pick 15, and once it's active, every time battery is lower than 15%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. And actually that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate, deactivate, and also set up some automatic rules in your low power solution mode in HOMTOM HT16. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.